So today we will discuss about the ethical system of the German philosopher Immanuel Kant, which is also known as deontology. Which deontology is literally derived from the Greek word deonto, which means duty, and logi, which is called system. So it is a system which emphasizes on the duty-based ethics. So Kant actually denies and criticizes the utilitarianism, which says that the greatest good for the greatest number. The utilitarianism bases the morality on the consequences of it, but Kant uses a categorical system, which says that you have to do things on base of their duty, and their moral worth depends on the quality of the action and the motive or your intention. And according to Kant, the only good thing in this world is a good will. So your intention and motive matters more than the outcome or consequences of action. And according to Kant, he believed that every human is a worth of dignity. So he holds a dignity because he is autonomous. Autonomous means that he can give a law to himself and follow that. So, firstly, let's understand heteronomy, then let's understand autonomy. So, when you do something, you do not act freely, according to Kant. That's not freedom. You act under the influence of your intuitions, your hormones, or your thrusts. For example, you drink the Coca-Cola or Sprite. That is not free because you are thirsty. That is why you drink the soft drink. So, according to Kant, you cannot violate one's dignity, and you even cannot violate your own dignity. That is suicide. So, now let's move to the most important and most famous part of the Kant's moral theory, that is the categorical imperative. So according to Kant, the morality is only just doing your duty, doing our duty. So then how would we know what our duty is? For this, Kant gives a supreme a moral test called categorical imperative, and it is called categorical because it applies unconditionally, universally, and everywhere. So this is called categorical imperative. So let's explain it in simple language. So according to this law, if you do something, so you have to think that would it be logically possible if absolutely everyone in this world does that. Let's take example, for example, lying. So if you lie, uh, what if the whole world lies? Then the world cannot sustain, because there are lies all around, and there would be no such thing as promise and truth when if everyone lies. So according to this law, if you are doing a act or a action, and you ask yourself, would it be logically possible for everyone to do this in this universe? If the answer is no, then the action is immoral. So this is the brief overview of the categorical imperative